Power Pack is a potent tool to fast-track getting immediate results from this course knowledge. The Power Pack contains all the actions you need to get the benefit from doing this course. Think about it like learning to drive a car. Most people don't learn how a car works before they learn to drive. They don't spend time understanding how the motor produces power, how the brakes work, how the radio receives signals from the air that result in music. Most people learn how to turn on the motor, accelerate, brake, use the indicators, and turn on the radio and change the station. Not knowing how a car works doesn't stop them from driving a car. In fact, for everyday driving on the street, learning how a car works does not increase driving performance. The Power Pack is an exciting way to approach getting results from learning. It is based in modelling. In simple terms, modelling is about copying the actions that lead to the results you want. Basically, if someone does something consistently well, then chances are there is a pattern to what they do. And if you follow that pattern, you can get the same results. Take, for example, spelling. Some people are not good at spelling and others are good at spelling. What's the difference? The set of actions they use to get results. Those that are good at spelling have a different spelling strategy. There is a technique to being able to spell well. I know. I was a poor speller growing up, which affected my ability to write and my confidence communicating. I was trying to spell phonetically. This is not an effective strategy with the English language. As an adult, I was shown the strategy for effective spelling. Now I can remember any word I want and even spell it backwards. Words like Albuquerque. That's right, I can spell it forward and backward now. In learning this strategy, I didn't learn how the brain works, how all the neurons connect in the mind to make the spelling strategy work. I just learned the actions I needed to do. It was a 5-minute exercise to learn the actions. Then I just did them, and bang, immediately I was spelling better. That's what the Power Pack is. In a simple and easy to follow set of actions, the Power Pack gives you a step-by-step procedure to follow to get the benefits from doing this course immediately. To get the immediate results, just follow the actions in the Power Pack. As you do the actions over and over, they will become a habit. Once a habit, you'll be achieving amazing results forever. So still have doubts this is possible? Think about it in another way. Have you ever had an experience where you thought you understood something, only to find out that you didn't do it as well as you thought? I know I have. But at the same time, have you also had the opposite experience? An experience where you thought you didn't understand something, then surprised yourself with how well you could perform? This is because understanding is a conscious function and performance is an unconscious function. Unconscious actions are learnt through repetition. Doing the same action over and over again until that action becomes something that just happens in response to stimuli. When you write the letter A, how much do you consciously think about making the letter shape? If you've been writing for some time, you won't think about it consciously at all. This is because you practiced and practiced the action of writing the letter A, and now the mind just does it, unconsciously. The Power Pack is designed to approach achieving results in this same manner. It provides you with a set of actions that, if you follow, will give you immediate results. The Power Pack enables you to jump straight to picking the fruit. They are simple yet powerful tools to help you rapidly achieve your objectives. The Power Pack uses effective effort for maximum growth. And if you're a study the roots kind of person, if you want to understand why, all the knowledge behind the actions in the Power Pack are contained in this course. You'll understand why certain actions don't work and the reasons why other actions are more effective. There is something for everyone in this course.